Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your phone number onto your Swagbucks account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your login credentials to log into Swagbucks. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you will see the various different offers that you can complete in order to make Swagbucks on your phone. Now, if you haven't added your phone number already, tap on the answer button at the bottom section and you will be asked to add your phone number first. Just enter your phone number and tap on the continue button, or you can also tap on verify account with email instead. You can then tap on the check email option and you will find the confirm email address button within an email sent to you from Swagbucks in the email address that you used while signing up. Tap on the confirm email address button or enter the verification code that you received within your phone. And once you have verified your account using your phone number that you just used will be added to your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your phone number onto Swagbucks. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.